Incredible things. Let's continue with the Supermemo Course Pleasurable expansion. In this case, about the user interface levels. What is this thing? You will get it now.
Though of the knowledge tree is just this. So your knowledge structure, and you will not necessarily on the right. It could be on the left. Okay, but what we're gonna do now is jump straight to professional level. So you do.
It's not showing what he's doing, but let's finish this so I can show it to you.
Level and do professional, because a lot of functions are not available in the beginner level. So we're gonna do professional one.
Okay, finally we see his screen. We don't know what he did. We have only seen his face. No worries. What are levels? So most of my videos are always like this. So if you go to File in the toolbar, we go to File and then Level. There are some options. By default, you'll have Beginner, and there are 4 options: Beginner, Basic, Middle, and Professional. That is, so you don't get overwhelmed. There's way too many buttons, too many options. Instead of doing onboarding or showing you incrementally the features, they're just hiding things. That's it. They are only hiding. So there are certain features that you cannot use unless you change that. Now you see File, Help, and that's about it. Look at the menu, it's much shorter. And then if I change to Basic, is okay. Now I have this, the last used collections, not much. And now I have here some stats, right? Then I do the middle. Okay, now I have more. I have all of the tabs. Nice. I have finally more options, more menus. Look at that. Now I have the status bar at the bottom. Okay, cool. And if you really want everything, it will be professional. A reminder, the warrior layout is a layout. We will see this in the future, in this course. It's not a level. You will see here an horizontal line. That's because it's a different thing. Then, don't ask me why, but Piotr Wozniak decided to create key bindings to cycle through the levels. Ctrl-Alt-F12. Ctrl-Alt-F12. That's the second, the basic, middle, and professional. I don't understand why. I really suggest to put it on professional. All of the videos from Fowl will be using the professional, and I really suggest that, because if you ever check the documentation, again, they assume it's a professional. So even if you see a lot of menus now, a lot of buttons and so on, don't worry at all. We will cover this, most of what's useful in this course. So
okay, so now you can see that I have much more stuff, right? It's almost kind of confusing. And when you will be doing professional, you will probably see
he's changing layouts. We will see this. He's not changing the levels now.
All these windows. So, and no, actually there should be one more.
Again, the warrior, it's a layout.
Okay, yeah, you're probably gonna see something like this, okay? Something humongous like this. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain one by one every window.
Okay, we'll leave this for the feature video. So, long story short, set the level to professional and forget about it. See you in the next video.